Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are on Duolingo and I'm going to teach you how to select English as your primary language. So currently I have English as my primary language, and if you go up to the top left hand side you can click on that country's flag, and I'm currently learning French. But what we want to do is we're learning French from English, and we want to tap on the add course button over here, and it says what would you like to learn. Now I can learn all of these languages from English and in English, but if I want to use English as my first language or my native language, we can go ahead and tap on more, and here you can go ahead and change this from any other language. So as you go down over here, you'll see that there are different languages that you can actually learn. So if you want to learn English from a different language, you can go ahead and select it from each and every one of these languages. You can now go ahead and it would be the same if your primary language was not English. You would go ahead and see the column that says for English speakers, and you can now learn whatever other language you would like from English. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Goodbye.